Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the governor on a Predator 212 without having to worry about things like cutting the arm out of the engine or fabricating some return spring system. First, you want to start out by removing the front cover off the engine. This is done by simply pulling the 10mm bolts that hold it on out. Then you can get to the governor wheel. It is made of plastic, so it is very easy to disable. You may be able to use a screwdriver and a hammer to remove the teeth off it, but I did not since I was afraid that I might hammer through it and break a hole in the crankcase. So do whatever you have to do. I use needle nose to pull the teeth off, but there may be easier ways. We're doing this to keep the wheel from spinning. The governor works off centrifugal force, so if we keep it from spinning, the engine will operate as if it doesn't have a governor. When you remove all the teeth from the governor wheel, it should look like this. Now there's only one step left to make it work correctly. What you can see here is where there used to be a spring, and what that spring does is allow the butterfly valve to operate independently of the throttle. This allows the governor to actually govern and allow you to have no control over it. So what I did is just took a coat hanger and cut it and bent it to fit into the slots, and that coat hanger allows me to directly control the butterfly using the throttle. Now what you want to do, since the butterfly valve is plastic and you want to prevent from breaking it, is you want to set the set screw to where it stops at wide open throttle so you don't end up pulling it any further and snapping off the butterfly.
Hey, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you out, let me know by leaving a like. If not, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think and what I could have done better. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm glad to help. I try to help out as much as possible. Just most of all, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.